Now we're in Metropolis, Illinois. There's a Superman museum up here across the street, and a big Superman statue up here. We'll go check that statue out in a minute. He's got a mask on too. Let's go in and check out the museum. Well, guess we're not checking out the museum. Sign says, one sign says open, one says closed. Old Superman phone booth. Guess we don't need these anymore. We can go in. You can take it back off. Let's walk over here. You can take your mask off. We can't go in. I think they have a big Superman festival once a year too. I don't know how tall it is. It's a big old statue though, isn't it? The whole thing here's his symbol, Superman symbol. It's a cool thing for a town mascot. Well, I guess we'll head since the museum is closed. Well, that was a quick stop. We'll head down the road, end up somewhere else. Well, the Superman Museum may have been closed, but came a few hours down the road to Louisville, Kentucky. And Kentucky's kind of got its own mascot too, and this is not closed. The grave of Colonel Harlan Sanders. It's been cleaned off. Usually there's all kinds of coins here, and sometimes, or here's some coins, and sometimes people will leave fried chicken too. He and his wife are here. Died in 1980. She died in 1996. It's got a pretty nice gravesite. There are other Sanders graves over here too. Got some family members of his. Alright. There's where the old colonel is buried. We'll head down the road and find somewhere else to go.